Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Volvo V70 diesel, 65 plate 2015, metallic black. Car has front daylights. Car has 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensors. It's a diesel car. Has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX. For electric window, electric and folding mirrors. Car has satellite navigation, telephone, Bluetooth connection, media, DAB radio, push button to start, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, USB aux connection, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.